last minute. SEMA's starting, and we have this project right here. This is not gonna go inside the SEMA booth, thank God, but it's gonna go around it. Customer's gonna take it to the hotels, park in front of them, really showcase this crazy forged carbon exterior. It's missing obviously some of the stuff on the sides, or else it would have been entirely forged carbon, because we are installing the roof as well next. But as you can see, exposed bumper, the hood, the fender vents, those are the pillars. The whole roof is gonna be like that. We're gonna put the wing on, all that stuff, side skirts, lots of parts, last minute, but we're gonna do it. Later on, this car is gonna go through another process. This entire fender is gonna be forged carbon, as well, the whole side skirts, all that stuff. So more to come on this crazy Huracan. If you guys didn't know about this car, this is that drifting Huracan where you've seen the videos of this car drifting around Newport. It has actually a rear parking brake. Well, it's really actually just another brake caliper from Willwood, and it has the actual lever inside. So this is that drifting Huracan. So really cool to see it here, except now it's gonna be forged carbon from 1016 Industries. It has some Anarchy wheels on it. It's gonna look really, really dope. So stay tuned.
Nice interior, huh? Yeah.
Fat Sal's, really good sandwiches, but he's annoying. I told the camera, this is Fat Sal's. Very good sandwiches, but super annoying.
That's old news. Everyone knows that. Please, come on.
From Seattle, man. Just wanted to come by and say what's up. Sure. Me and the fam.
How are you?
He's your biggest fan.
Oh. Say what's up,
Since he was in the
Bezos?
womb.
We was just watching these guys on YouTube, man.
Like that. Come on.
SVJ right here in this crazy factory matte red color. Also has red and black interior, so very red, looks amazing. We put these gold Brixton wheels on there before. Customer kind of damaged the lips, unfortunately, so we had to redo them. These are tough finishes to replicate, gold polished on the lips. So if you do have gold wheels, be careful, don't damage them. But yeah, now it's fixed, we're putting it back on. Center lock, obviously, so we gotta torque them to factory spec, just so it's safe. We're gonna get it back on the ground, but yeah, this is a beautiful SVJ.
That's the worst thing I've ever done.
You're recording?
Yeah.
Hey guys, I'm driving and vlogging.
Wow.
This is a terrible thing to do. Don't try this at home, kids. By the way, everybody's in the car,
Hello.
and I'm still holding it. Look. If you guys haven't seen that guy before, he doesn't do anything at RDB.
Yeah.
I thought I was gonna say something nice.
Yeah. No, say something nice. Say something nice. He's a good guy. He's like a brick.
Yeah, that guy right there is not doing his job right now, which is to hold his camera. But that's Jovid. So that's gonna cost you 20 grand.
Yeah. We're gonna pay you for 6 weeks.
My arm's getting tired. This camera's very
Want me
heavy.
to hold it?
So yeah.
Biggest arms. You have the world's biggest arms right now.
So, all right, one of our previous clients who has a purple SV Aventador, a Ghost, a Phantom, a yellow Murcielago, Jesus Christ, SV, called us up. His battery was dead on his Phantom, so we went ahead, did some mobile service for him, got the car, changed the battery, took it back to him, and parked it for him, all while he's out of town. So we do that too. Anything you need for your exotic luxury cars in Los Angeles, we do servicing, maintenance, all that stuff. Give us a call.
Yeah, it gets hot.
Stop, it's getting hot.
Can't breathe. You can't open it. I told you. I wouldn't go out if I were you.
All right, guys, this Huracan right here is pretty much almost done. A lot of tape on there. We're showing you guys in progress work. It has to leave tomorrow to go to SEMA. Tomorrow morning, we have some last minute stuff. We have to glue a little bit more because things are fresh. But as you can see, it has the forged carbon front bumper, the hood, the roof with the pillars. It has the vents for the fenders. Sooner or later, that whole fender is gonna be forged carbon as well. It's got the side skirt. The whole rear end is forged carbon, the bumper, the wing, all that stuff, mirror covers. Much more to come, but it's sitting on some dope 20-inch Anarchy wheels. It's slammed to the ground, it's loud, looks amazing. Much more to come on this. We gotta do a clear bra on it after SEMA. A lot of other work, but for now, looks incredible. We're gonna load it up tomorrow, take it to Vegas. I know there's a lot of Huracans out there with wide bodies, racing kits, all kinds of stuff, but this one is very, very clean. So really happy with it. We're gonna close up the shop. It's been a long ass day, but yeah, there you have it. Forged carbon 1016 Huracan. All right, guys, I want to show you and talk about this next endeavor that we have here. As you guys know, we're all shoe fanatics here at RDB, very passionate about cars, and we're also passionate about shoes. This has been a long time coming, about a year of talking, figuring out things, sampling, going through different manufacturers. We finally settled down on the manufacturer, got real samples, and now we're doing samples of colorways and materials, stuff like that. We're very close. We're within a few months here. Next month, we're gonna be getting more of our colorway samples for all the shoes, meaning high tops, drivers, running shoes, and also slides. Right now, I do have on the first pair of samples of high tops. Super comfortable. I wear all kinds of shoes. I've got So many shoes, it's crazy. You guys have seen it, but these things are super comfortable. Feels amazing. It's all perforated leather inside, all of this leather outside, and obviously you see the carbon fiber trim right there. It goes all around the shoe. It's got like a red tag up top. We're still playing with colorways, but this might be one of the final ones. Black laces, white laces, just to see the difference. Obviously RDB on the tongues right there. So really dope. I'm loving them so far. I love white shoes, so this is one of them. But we're gonna have obviously low tops. Some people don't like high tops. We have a website up, rdbshoes.com. This site is just for kind of getting a feeler of what people want. So there's a checklist, you could pick what you're interested and sign up for an email, which will give you more information. We also have our Instagram, rdbshoes. So start following that for more updates. Super excited about this. I love cars and shoes, so doing all the car stuff. Now we're moving on to shoes. So I hope you guys support us. These are gonna be super high end. They're gonna be car oriented. Every shoe is gonna have carbon fiber on them. The insides are gonna be super comfortable, perforated. Colorways are gonna match certain cars, Ferrari interiors, that kind of stuff. So we're gonna keep it to our RDB flow. So get on the website and Instagram.